Nuevamente, Marcucci here in another video, and today we're going to be talking about Propy. And Propy is one I've wanted to do a video about it for so long. I just couldn't find the right things I wanted to say, but I think I finally found it. Anyways, yeah, it's one of the biggest RWA tokens right now, in my opinion, and it has a huge potential. I mean, we've seen it here. It started at, 74 cents and went all the way up to like $6. Yeah, like 615. It's down 88% all time, but it's from its all time low, which was 2 cents. It's up 2,271%. So yeah, huge potential. All time is down 15%. Usually has these like huge spike up randomly and then these huge drawdowns. So right now it's in the huge drawdown. So maybe we see like some of these spikes to like the dollar. Hopefully we see like $2, $3. I don't know. If we see here, everything is kind of the same. So yeah, huge RWA play in my opinion, but let's get to what they are and what they do. I'm gonna speed this up, put it 2x speed because I don't want to sit through like the whole video. So yeah.
Here's Propy. How does Propy work? Everywhere you look, technology is penetrating our daily lives. Even so, some industries are resistant to change. Instead, they prefer to keep their old behaviors. The real estate industry is a prime example of this. Buying property is a slow and disorganized process. It is plagued by intermediaries, delayed communication, and unnecessary repetition. Fortunately, automation is taking over the world, and Propy is bringing this technology to the public via the property purchasing process. With the help of automation and blockchain technology, the whole process of buying property on Propy is transparent and straightforward. It consists of only 5 simple steps. Step 1. Property choice. The process begins with a buyer finding a property on a listing platform. Just like Zillow, Redfin, and other real estate listings, Propy aggregates data from MLS. All you have to do is go on Propy, select your desired property, choose an agent, and make an offer. Step 2. Purchase and sale agreement generation. Propy automatically generates the purchase and sale agreement, and it performs ownership verification through a third party. The offer gets signed electronically by all participants. Once all parties provide their signatures, the purchase agreement gets encrypted, and it is recorded on the blockchain. Step 3. Additional documents. The title agent uploads the title report so that both the buyer and the seller can sign it online. In addition to the title report, the seller's agent uploads disclosure documents so that the participants can sign them. The title agent uploads separate estimates called the settlement statements to the buyer and the seller. After both parties sign them, the title agent provides an escrow bank account, thus avoiding the risk of email and wire fraud. Step 4. Payment. The buyer has fiat and cryptocurrency.
Remember that the risks of wire fraud. We'll see a little bit a video about that later.
Options for payment. After the payment form is automatically generated and the amount is processed, Propy marks the payment as received on the smart contract. Step 5. Title deed. At this final step, the buyer receives the officially recorded title deed with a blockchain address on it. The records are kept at the municipality and on the blockchain. Because the deed is recorded on the blockchain, the buyer has an unhackable proof of ownership. Since everything is recorded on the blockchain, there's no opportunity for fraudulent behavior in the transaction process. Additionally, with Propy's automation features, sellers and buyers save money on fees. The real estate industry has put off this evolution for years. However, with Propy, this trend is about to change. As technology develops, the process will only get better.
So yeah, really amazing what they want to do. I don't want to compare them to Zillow and all these other platforms. I think they're doing their own unique stuff. But yeah, super interesting. Anyways, I'm also not going to watch this video, but you should definitely watch it if you're doing research on your own. It's Property Real Estate Tokenization and Transactions with the CEO. So the CEO is Natalia Karajavneva, and they're on a mission to put $280 trillion of real estate on chain. So yeah, the real estate sector is humongous, and if they could at least bring in like 1% of that or 2% of that would be super huge. Yeah, the team. Well, let's do the tokens first. The tokens. I mean, I couldn't find the tokenomics. Like I said, I don't know if there's like any. I don't think there's any unlocks really. So, but I don't know whose wallet, right? And then if we look here, the decentralization score is only 11%. Vulnerability score low. Token smelt 50, so not that bad. Yeah, always read the smart contract like always. There's no security detection, so there's no like process contract or min functions, so that's good. But yeah, I don't know if it's too decentralized. And then we see here the bubble maps. A lot of these, they're kind of like intertwined. So yeah, the tokenomics are not the best in my opinion, but it is what it is. So yeah, Natalia is the CEO, Anna Atencio is Propy title CEO, Eric Cruz VP of sales, and they have all these other people that they work with. So yeah, pretty decent team. And these are their investors and advisors. So Tim Draper from Venture Capitalist, I know him. I don't know the other ones, Coin Fund, but I know Coinbase also is heavily invested in them. And then they say, yeah, Propy is a licensed Web3 pioneer operating since 2017, facilitating over 4 billion in transactions. So, yeah, I mean, they've been around for a long time. So, yeah, I don't think they're. This is something that's, completely not. It's a new sector, right? But they've been in the sector for a long time. That's kind of what the properties look like. I searched some here in New York. I don't know why I'm in Florida, but yeah, they have some properties here in New York that you can even buy with crypto. So this one you can buy with crypto. This one you can buy with crypto. I think right now it's just Bitcoin, but I don't know if it's like USDC. But I think right for the moment it is Bitcoin. If you also want to join the movement, they have these like membership tools. So $19, 19.99 every month. You get all these wonderful things. So yeah, if you want to check them out, go ahead. You could also get in touch with them. They don't have that many followers. They only have 61,000, which, being that they joined in 2015, been around since 2017, I'm actually surprised it's this low. Especially for what they're doing. I would feel like more people should be talking about this, but I don't know. Anyways, they have this like cool feature. They have all these cool videos on the YouTube. I'm gonna leave it in the description down below, but you could like have like a notary feature online. They also talk about this, and this is why I was saying that the wire fraud is important. I'm not gonna watch this video, but they secured over 40 billion transactions with zero fraud. That's what's so important. Looks like people in Colorado have been losing $65 million in wire fraud since 2023. So only 2 years, right? If if they can help out those people, this is why I'm excited about crypto and Web3 and everything. So I couldn't find. That's the only bad thing too about this. I couldn't find like revenues or all this different stuff, but they have said that they have beaten some records. So it says record-breaking quarter in both transactions and revenue. So kudos to them. Congrats. Launched the first ever Bitcoin-backed real estate loan. Amazing. Closed a historic deal real estate transaction in Hawaii. Multiple on-chain offers with the loan winning. Roll out the Own Your Tomorrow campaign, plus debuted our first official commercial. Damn, can't read. Conducted multiple state-proof crypto and blockchain CE classes to hundreds of real estate agents across Florida, Colorado, and Arizona. Release system platform redesign 1.0. We're just getting started. Hit milestone of 300,000 addresses minted on Propy keys and supercharged the Propy map for Florida, Colorado, and Arizona. So congrats to them. You could read this review too here if you guys want. I wish there were more numbers. I love the numbers. I love, reading them and seeing them firsthand. I unfortunately couldn't find them. But yeah, go ahead, read this if you guys want. I can't really see anything like on chain, really. But yeah. And then this is the roadmap too. They want to get like a lot with this AI. I've seen them have this like AI state trained closing agent. They want to like use like AI for like listings and all these kind of stuff. So yeah, I think they're just moving in the right direction. Like AI and RWA, like it's gonna be so huge the cycle, and people are gonna be like talking about, oh my god, like you could buy a house with AI and blah blah. So I don't know if it's gonna go up or down. I hate giving like price predictions, but I think this could perform well. What I will say though, as always, please, please, please always use the sites. Obviously, not everyone has the money to buy a house, not in these conditions, not, everything like that. But if Propy and all these other platforms can lower the closing costs, the lawyer fees, like all that kind of stuff, maybe it becomes a little bit more affordable. The next thing too, use this. If you are buying a house and you're watching this video and you want to buy a house, use Propy. See if you like it. See if you don't. And then maybe invest in them. So one of the reasons too, I think it could be big is because you could buy it on Coinbase and people are gonna see it on Coinbase and like, oh my god, like let me do it. So I currently don't own it. I haven't purchased it, but it wouldn't surprise me if it has like a huge colossal run, like in the $2 to $3, or at least $1 sometime soon. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please, I hope if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.